of God, the plenty of love, thanking you, the most merciful and most gracious. We worship hands with asking you, be mercy on us and be gracious. Keep our heart with full of joy, keep our minds with full of love, keep our heart with full of joy, keep our minds with full of love. Please help us with gains we need. Please help us from errors and faults. Fill our way with light of knowledge. Fill our way with pearls of bright. Fill our way with light of knowledge. Fill our way with pearls of bright. We are the blooms of coming days. We ask you to the calm cool days.
In the name of God, the most merciful and most gracious. A very warm welcome to all our disguised guests. Let's welcome respected Ward Councillor Mrs. Sajina Ansar, Khadija Kensa teacher, MTA member, and my colleague Fatima Shabina teacher, MTA member, our former student and MTA member Wahida VP, my dear friend and colleague Asina teacher, parents and our beloved children to this second day session. I hearty welcome to all. First of all, I am inviting Sajina Ansar to inaugurate our second day program. Ma'am, please come on this stage. Okay, thank you to all.
Thank you, teacher. Let's invite our ward councillor, Mrs. Sajina Ansar.
ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഡേയുമായി അനുബന്ധിച്ച് നമ്മുടെ JMLP സ്കൂളിലെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികൾക്കായി ഒരുക്കിയ കലാപരിപാടിയുടെ രണ്ടാം ദിനമായ ഇന്ന് ഉദ്ഘാടനം എന്ന കർത്തവ്യമാണ് എന്നിൽ അർപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. നമ്മുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ തലമുറയ്ക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഒരു പ്രധാന ഘടകം തന്നെയാണ്. അവരുടെ ഹയർ സ്റ്റഡീസിനും മറ്റ് ജോലി ആവശ്യങ്ങൾക്കും ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൻ്റെ പ്രാധാന്യം ഏറെ വലുതാണ്. ഞാൻ ദീർഘിപ്പിക്കുന്നില്ല. നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികളുടെ കലാപരിപാടികളുമായി ടീച്ചേഴ്സും കുട്ടികളും കാത്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ പരിപാടി ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്തതായി ഞാൻ അറിയിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി.
Thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure to invite our PTA executive member, Mrs. Khadija Kensa.
Assalamu alaikum to one and all. Respected chief guest of the day, Jessie ma'am, our HM, Subeda teacher, our principal, NP Bashir sir, our JM committee president, Umar sir, our students, teachers, parents, and all the dignitaries who are attending this function, a warm good morning to one and all. As you all know, today is the second day of our program, an online enrichment program, Let's Live with English, which is conducted by our school for enriching our students with the ability to speak and communicate in English. As you all know that English is considered as global language, it is not only considered as global language, it is considered as link language also. It is linking between the people all over the world. So, the importance of English is inevitable in the present situation. So I am very happy that our school came forward for enriching our students with the ability to communicate in English. And our school is conducting many programs for their developing the skills in them. And I wish to remind our students that no one of you is insignificant here. No one of you is forgotten. Whatever programs you are participating, every program is treated in a special way. And I thank our teachers as well as parents for improving their skills by conducting such programs. This is possible only with the help of parents and teachers. They are trying their level best for this. And on behalf of JM PTA committee and on behalf of JM High Secondary School, I wish all success to the program and I wish all the students best day today. And thank you. Have a nice day. Keep chilling all this day. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to invite our MTA member, Mrs. Fatima Shabnam.
Respected Chief Guest, inaugurator, and other dignitaries that present here today, a fresh and lovely good morning to all. It's my privilege to stand here before this gathering to wish the participants of this online English enrichment program. First of all, I wish to our Chief Guest, Jessie Ma'am, inaugurated Sir Shanavas Paravanur, and other felicitators that also gathered here. We all know nowadays English is very important to us. English is an important language for all kinds of professionals and personal goals. Whether you are just starting out in English or you need some motivation to keep going, understanding the importance of the language will help to reach fluency and change our life. We all know that it is an online virtual program, so there is a limitation. So here I conclude my words that let me thank to each and everyone to this program, English Live Online Enrichment Program, in this moment of great gladness. So thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Let me invite our former student and MTA member, Mrs. Wahida VP.
Hi, I am Wahida, mother of Muhammad Sabit IK 3rd B. Now I wish to tell something about this program. Let's live with English, online English enrichment program. In this program, the inaugural section was enriched by the chief guests. We can understand the importance of English in the present situation from their speech. Moreover, the shining stars of JMLP school took part beautifully to make this program fast and colorful. Now I am very happy to be a part of this program. Thank you to all.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I invite Hasina teacher for the felicitation speech.
പ്രിയ രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ, വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, അസ്സലാമു അലൈക്കും വറഹ്മത്തുള്ളാഹി വബറകാതുഹു. കുട്ടികളുടെ സർഗാത്മക കഴിവുകൾ വളർത്തിയെടുക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി സംഘടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ലെറ്റ്സ് ലൈവ് വിത്ത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് എന്ന പ്രോഗ്രാമിന് എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു.
Thank you, Hasina teacher. I would like to invite our Ambli teacher for the felicitation speech.
Dear students and my colleagues, as all we know, English is the universal language. So it's very important to learn the English language in a good manner. On this occasion, I am congratulating all of you to be the part of English enrichment program on behalf of JMLP School. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Let's Live with English is a great initiative that helps the students to showcase their proficiency in English. I'm so happy that all my children are doing a wonderful job, and I wish everyone a happy learning experience. In this occasion, I got an opportunity to give vote of thanks to our guests. I would like to express our sincere gratitude to Ward Councillor Sajna Ansar NK, MTA member Fatima Shabnam teacher, PTA executive member Khadija Kensa teacher, our old student and MTA member Wahida VP, Regina teacher, Asina teacher. Our sincere gratitude goes to all committee members, parents and my dear children. Thank you very much.